Hi guys, so now we're up to chapter 2 in Access, and for this assignment, we were asked to basically create an interview and job posting process for a company. We were asked to create tables of candidates, interviews, and job openings. So for the candidates field, it asks us to create the fields, and here you would come here and select which type of field you would want to create, right? And for most of mine, I selected the short text, and it also asks for us to set that. And I'm sorry, I should have enabled it, but yeah. So now you can see this is how you select your primary key. I selected all the primary keys to be something that will be able to um, stay within the courses. So you select your primary key by coming here, and you would select this. You would change anything that you would want to, like the field size, you would come here and you would add captions here to anything that is longer than what you needed. And you would go back to and it will be perfect. On some of my design, I added, I shorted the text, and I also for example, the phone number. I changed it to just 10 because it's 10 digits in a phone number. For the interview table, I changed the to dates only. The data type, I changed it to date and time. And I also changed some of the rank position. I changed it to 10 because I was only going up to 5. Then we were asked to create relationships. By creating relationships, you would simply come here and drag your towards the next one. You select yes. It asks for us to enforce referential integrity and to cascade updated related fields, and then you select OK. And basically, it links all of your tables together. That way, you'll be able to run queries when you need to. For this query, it called for us to basically come here. You would it asks for only a certain job description, which I think is the database administrator position or something like that, which is the code that I use, RXFG. And then it also asks for us to just show the ranks that are less than 3. So you would basically put the criteria here, and under each position that you need to just show, it asks for only the last name, the first name, the job description, and the rank. And I did all of that. And then by sorting, you would come here and you just sort last name, you sort first name, and you select run. Once you run it, it'll show you exactly what you did. And I hope I was able to help you tonight. Have a good night.